In this video, we are going to reveal 3 extraordinary foods that can supercharge your sexual prowess and bolster your overall well-being. If you're watching this video, comment "Great." Maintaining peak sexual function is a concern for many men, and certain foods can play a significant role in supporting this aspect of health. We're going to explore some powerful natural options that can help you achieve and maintain optimal performance. These aren't just old wives' tales. There's real science behind these nutritional powerhouses. So, if you're ready to discover how to enhance your intimate life through diet, stick with me. Now, let's dive right into our first potent food. Pumpkin seeds, the prostate protector. Have you ever considered the tiny but mighty pumpkin seed? These small seeds pack a powerful punch when it comes to men's health, particularly prostate health. A handful of pumpkin seeds incorporated into your daily routine can work wonders for erectile health. They can be instrumental in ensuring that those nighttime or nocturnal erections, which are a natural indicator of healthy function, continue as they should. Pumpkin seeds contain compounds that support prostate health, which is essential for long-term sexual well-being. Comment pumpkin seeds if you love eating pumpkin seeds. This time, let's talk about a fruit often referred to as liquid Viagra. Watermelon, the nitric oxide booster. This juicy and refreshing fruit is more than just a summer treat. Watermelon is rich in citrulline, a precursor to arginine. Arginine plays a crucial role in the production of nitric oxide, a compound that relaxes blood vessels, improving blood flow. And good blood flow is absolutely vital for achieving and maintaining a firm erection. Some men report feeling a significant boost in strength and stamina after consuming watermelon. While some might be tempted to take citrulline or arginine supplements, it's generally better to obtain these nutrients from whole foods like watermelon. The body can process and utilize them more effectively in this natural form. Excessive supplementation can sometimes lead to unwanted side effects, so sticking with food sources is a safer and more balanced approach. Comment watermelon if you love eating watermelon. I believe you're enjoying this video. Before we continue, make sure you subscribe, like, and share this video. Comment "Wonderful" if you're enjoying this video. Moving on to our third and final superfood for sexual vitality. Arugula, the nitrate-rich green. Arugula, a peppery green often used in salads, is a fantastic source of nitrates. Nitrates are converted into nitrites in the body, which then contribute to the production of nitric oxide, just like citrulline from watermelon. Arugula has a significant advantage. It's oxalate-free. Oxalates are substances that can crystallize in the body and potentially contribute to kidney stones, arterial calcification, and other health problems. For individuals sensitive to oxalates, arugula is a safe and effective way to boost nitrate intake without the risks associated with other high oxalate nitrate sources. This is why I often recommend arugula as a key ingredient in my erection salad, and as a preferred source of nitrates over beetroot powder, which can be high in oxalates. Arugula complements the effects of the other foods we've discussed, creating a synergistic effect for enhanced sexual function. Comment arugula if you like to add arugula to your diet. So, to recap the top 3 foods for erectile power and strength. First, we have pumpkin seeds, which support prostate health and contribute to long-term sexual well-being. Second, there's watermelon, a fantastic source of citrulline, which helps boost nitric oxide production for improved blood flow and firmer erections. And third, we have arugula, an oxalate-free, nitrate-rich vegetable that further supports nitric oxide production and overall cardiovascular health, which is essential for sexual function. These 3 foods, when incorporated into a balanced diet, can make a noticeable difference in your sexual health and performance. Remember, a healthy sex life is an important part of overall well-being, contributing to both physical and emotional health. Now, let's delve a bit deeper into the science behind these superfoods and explore how they impact sexual health. Maintaining a healthy and active sex life is more than just desirable. It's a vital component of overall well-being. As men age, they may experience changes in sexual function, but these changes are not inevitable. Diet plays a crucial role in supporting sexual health, and the foods we've discussed offer specific benefits in this regard. Nitric oxide, the key to blood flow. Nitric oxide is a critical molecule that relaxes blood vessels, allowing for increased blood flow. This is particularly important for sexual function, as erections rely on adequate blood flow to the penis. Both watermelon and arugula contribute to nitric oxide production through different pathways. Watermelon provides citrulline, which the body converts to arginine, and then to nitric oxide. Arugula provides nitrates, which are also converted to nitric oxide. By including these foods in your diet, you can naturally support healthy blood flow and improve erectile function. Prostate health, a foundation for sexual wellness. The prostate gland plays a vital role in male reproductive health. Pumpkin seeds contain compounds that support prostate health, potentially reducing the risk of prostate problems that can affect sexual function. A healthy prostate is essential for maintaining optimal sexual performance and overall well-being. The importance of a balanced diet. While these 3 superfoods offer specific benefits for sexual health, it's important to remember that a balanced diet is the cornerstone of overall health, including sexual health. A diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean protein provides the essential nutrients your body needs to function optimally. Combining these healthy dietary habits with the inclusion of pumpkin seeds, watermelon, and arugula can create a powerful synergy for enhanced sexual wellness. In addition to diet, other lifestyle factors also play a significant role in sexual health. Regular exercise, stress management, adequate sleep, and avoiding smoking and excessive alcohol consumption are all important for maintaining optimal sexual function. By addressing these lifestyle factors in conjunction with a healthy diet, you can maximize your chances of enjoying a fulfilling and active sex life. If you are experiencing specific sexual health concerns, it's always best to consult with a healthcare professional. They can assess your individual situation and recommend appropriate treatment options. While diet and lifestyle changes can be very beneficial, they may not be sufficient to address all sexual health issues. Now that we've explored the science behind these superfoods, let's talk about how to incorporate them into your diet. Pumpkin seeds. Enjoy a handful of pumpkin seeds as a snack. Add them to salads or smoothies, or sprinkle them on top of yogurt or oatmeal. Watermelon. Enjoy watermelon as a refreshing snack or dessert. You can also add it to smoothies or salads. Arugula. Use arugula as a base for salads. Add it to sandwiches or wraps, or incorporate it into pasta dishes or stir-fries. Remember, consistency is key. By regularly including these superfoods in your diet, you can support your sexual health and overall well-being. I'm sure the list could be longer, and I invite you to add to it in the comment section. Don't hesitate to pass on the knowledge, and hit the subscribe button on our channel for more practical health insights. Before you go, be sure to check out our other videos on related topics. We have a wealth of information on healthy aging, nutrition, and lifestyle tips to help you live your best life. Don't leave without exploring the rest of our content. You'll be glad you did.